At the moment, the gear lever is in neutral. It's just below third and above fourth. If I move it left or right, the gear lever springs back to neutral. This will be important to remember when changing gear. It's well worth practicing while you're stationary and the engine's off to get used to where each gear is. After a bit of practice, try changing gear without looking down at it. Let's go through all the gears. Neutral to first, palm facing away from you, push left and forward. When you change from first to second, have slight pressure to the left on the gear lever to prevent it from going into fourth. Don't forget the spring is trying to move it back to neutral, which you don't want right now. Having your palm facing to the left will make it easier. Second to third, palm facing to the right, push the gear lever forward slightly, let it spring to neutral, and then forward to third. Don't grip the gear lever too tightly. Push forward gently, allow it to spring to neutral, and then forward to third. Your hand position makes it easier to change gear. Straight back for fourth, push forward slightly to neutral, to the right, and forward to fifth gear. To change to sixth, have slight pressure to the right as you move it back to the right. Changing down to fifth, slight pressure to the right and forward to fifth. Back slightly, let it spring to neutral and straight back to fourth. Push straight forward for third. To make the next gear change easier, position your hand so that your palm is facing left, away from you. Have slight pressure to the left as you move it back a little to neutral, then left and back for second. Push to the left and forward for first. Push back slightly to let it spring to neutral.